welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the south part of Da Nang. Not really the south part, but the south of the Thuong area. We are here now at the Thuong Street, Ecke, corner, Hoek Suan Huam. Okay, this street's pretty interesting. I will show you why, okay? First of all, we have a phenomenal, magnificent pharmacy, yeah? No, I'm just kidding. Nothing important. But I will show you something interesting where you might wanna stay in a hotel, which we actually reviewed on the German channel once for a member. He asked us to review that place. Pretty interesting. And he really loved it, especially because it was in a street. He said it was pretty quiet and not so. Oh wow, look at this. It's like a mansion. Interesting.
Even the entrance is hallelujah.
All right, guys. So, it's already here, the hotel. You got a convenience store here. Nice. Everything in one street. That's good. And you have the vernal homes here. I will definitely make a video about that and we'll link it below. You have a food place over there. The vernal home with a generator in case there's a power outage. And this building, very interesting, guys. Very good hotel rooms, guys. But I will show you. You will, or probably in the first link below. But look at this. This is also a villa you can rent. Amy's house. They should have a S, then it's Semi's house. But last time we did a review about this hotel, we were able to look right into that pool. There's a pool area here. So not that much of a privacy though. But yeah, let's check out what's in this street. Spoiler, it's a very, very, very good noodle dish here as well. I will show you in the same street here. You
So
get,
delicious.
what do we have here? Detox, da Sau. All right, so you can have hair shampoo and all kinds of nail treatments. Interesting. What is this? Daily cafe. Oh, look at this. You can buy stuff here. Huh. All right, guys. This is a busy street though, but still in the hotel it's pretty quiet. And if you follow the street here, you will find yourself right in front of Nudo. And Nudo is a Michelin recommended noodle place, Mi Quang. Very nice. I already showed you that in my videos. Very good. What do I like the most there?
Beef.
Yeah, beef or the fish. Obviously, it's 3 times the price than usual, but it is a nice ambience and very good taste. Always the same tasting, so not bad. Nukmia, smoothie place, fruit juices, everything here. Then you have the normal Mi Quang prices, 30,000 or something. Xiaolong, porridge with intestines. Not my favorite thing, but very popular everywhere in Vietnam. What is this, Marcus? Huh.
To be honest, I don't know.
I don't know either. Oh wow. Construction over there. Look at this. This is amazing. This is so cute. So cute. Oh wow. They rebuilt this so much here. I remember my wife lived here to the left. There was a very, very nice apartment building there. And this was an open air coffee. They changed that now completely. Now it's a closed something.
Is this the entire building or just?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. In this direction you get to the Bach Mian market. To the right and to the left you have the Bach Mian market. But we will actually explore this street here. What can we find here in this street? What can we find here, guys? I know there are few restaurants and few coffee shops that are actually popular now. Also, lots of people live here. There are some apartment buildings that are pretty popular with foreigners as well. But we will walk here and then gonna go to a little bit of a side street, going slowly back to the Thuong area. Huh. What is this? Travel media. Huh. Travel media? Huh. I'm travel media. Look at this. That looks like a house that is for rent or for selling. No one lives in there. Same as this one. But no numbers.
Oh, look at these cars.
Yeah, crazy. This is also a modern apartment building, but I'm not sure how modern it is. It's probably five years old or something.
I could not live there because it's always.
Yeah, meat. Hello.
Hello. I'm hungry.
Yeah, they do a lot of meat here. I had some coffee dates here with my wife. Best coffee in town? Okay, I don't think so. So here's apartment building to the right. What street are we in now? I gotta double check the street and then we're gonna go to the left. Sneaky little route. Lanvin. Lanvin, we're gonna go to the left and we've been now to the Tranvandu. Look at this, oh my god. This is also for rent or something, or sale. Chaka, ooh. There's an Indian restaurant here. It's very unusual to have an Indian restaurant that far away from the main tourist area. Looks pretty cool. Very cute.
Interesting.
Huh. And they have the workshop is over there. I'm not sure what the workshop is. Hello. Oh, look at this. This apartment building, Marcus.
Yeah.
Guys, this is like the hidden gems here or what? Okay.
Don't show this to the community.
May Villa. Interesting. Do they have a pool? Okay.
Thank you.
Beautiful flowers here, Marcus. You want to make a photo here in front of the flowers?
What
Can you
is it with
can you
these
sniff
old
them?
ladies?
Why do you say old ladies? You are in the same
to
age.
be honest, always when I look at social media, I see older ladies.
Yeah.
They're doing these. I don't know. These photos. I don't know why.
Maybe if you would take these photos and put it in your Tinder, you would have a wife too.
But maybe at the same age.
Also apartment building. White Coral Mansion. One time I walked here some years ago, actually 2 years ago, and I experienced something very interesting, Marcus. Very, very interesting.
I want to know.
So here,
Okay.
I walked by here
Yeah.
at night and the light was on here. And there were like 5 very attractive Vietnamese ladies. Hey, they're not here anymore, mate. But they were dancing with loud Wiener House in front of a camera.
Oh.
And so this was a TikTok live studio. So in TikTok Vietnam, if you are in Vietnam and go TikTok live, you will see always these girls dancing for donations and things like that. They do it for men as well, so men do the same. But this was one of the studios, very interesting. I walked by and I'm like, what? and they all had short skirts on and everything. Very interesting. I'm like, okay, what is going on there? But then after that, I was like, first of all, I was like, oh, what is going on there? I know that from Germany, this cam businesses. But then I saw it on TikTok, not them, but other ones, and they're just dancing and to weird Wiener house, I would say. The dances are also very weird, I would say.
What can you tell me about this one?
Oh, Le Comptoir. It's the most expensive restaurant, I believe. Maybe? Or no, not the most expensive. I think the one in the Intercontinental is more expensive, but this is like a very fine dining French restaurant, I believe. I never experienced, I'm not into French anything.
They say they have Michelin.
Yeah. What is this, Marcus?
I think it's just the...
A little side road. Doma family. And this here is a very expensive apartment complex too. Very expensive. This is like villas. Very exclusive, guys. If you know, please comment below how much it is there. I think a friend of mine wanted to review it one time and was very shocked about the price, I think. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know the prices of these villas. This is like, I think this is a school. Oh my God, I saw a headline. I didn't investigate it, but I know schools are expensive, so it could be true.
So this is an international school.
38,000 for tuition fees a year. 38,000 US dollars. Not this, but international schools. Crazy. Crazy. How can, like, I'm wondering how the math is. If you pay 38,000, first of all, usually they are like the upper class people that just want to most likely use the school to network. This is the only reason I can imagine, because like if you don't have that much money and you spend so much for the child, for the school, you will never get the return back. Never. The only way this can make sense is if you're a millionaire and you want to put your child into school with other millionaire children, and you can network.
Yeah, but I think kids is not an investment. Investment is just an ROI.
Yeah.
It's not a business asset something.
Yeah.
I would say.
But I would say international. I don't know how international schools are, but schools in general is not like a good investment. Oh. Okay, guys. Maybe we should go in there. Oh yeah. Nice and cool. Cooling down. Maybe I'm gonna get a drink. Whew. Oh, ice cream. Marcus is not eating ice cream anymore. All right, guys. What should we get? What should we get? I think. Did you see anywhere?
I think
electrolyte drinks.
Take two and pay one.
I never had a Monster.
You won't?
Is it without sugar?
Yeah, it's without.
Okay, I will try it.
Okay, but it's the apple. It's.
I like it.
Okay.
Are you paying?
Yes.
No.
Then it's a no-brainer, huh?
Then it's a no-brainer, guys. Also, very important in every household in Vietnam, you need to have chinsu. Chinsu is very important. What is this? Seasoning. I'm hungry. You actually can buy good veggies here too for good prices, actually. If you want to have it cool down. You can get some cucumbers. Do they have avocados? No. And those, I'm just gonna call it Vietnamese apples, because I only saw them in Vietnam. They're very tasty. What is the name, guys? Manda Thuong? Is it a D with a... Yes, Thuong. I look like a criminal with my Nike hat and my sunglasses. I hope they're not scared of me. Marcus also looks very stupid with his hat. And another thing what is very important, fish sauce. Fish sauce and sweetened condensed milk creamer. But it's not a good brand, I think. The good brand is the Viet milk, Wiener milk. This is what a bag of rice costs, 3 kilograms, 89,000. Is this expensive or not? I think I never buy rice. I never buy rice. I'd rather go to a rice shop. What's wrong? Oh, you can also buy some pork belly here. Ooh. Chicken, salmon, beef. Everything. Eggs, quail eggs, definitely. Eat quail eggs. I love them. 24,000 for 6 or 40 for. Oh, it's actually a little bit more expensive than usual. You got everything?
Yes.
Oh, you have to buy. You buy 2 and you get 1?
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
No, it's good.
No advertisement. I will try it and give you my honest review. Whew. Was not bad, but I don't know about that. I think it's very unhealthy. This energy drinks. I will see how I feel afterwards. But you know what's very, very interesting, guys? I just met a friend. Asked her, how much do you pay for the kindergarten, what we just filmed? You know, remember we just filmed this kindergarten or school thing, but it was a kindergarten. So she's paying 8.6 million for half of a day a month. So if you wanna do full time or the whole day kindergarten, will be double. So $300 for half day and $600 for the full day. For kindergarten. Now, what I'm thinking is,
Open the kindergarten?
no, it's like, how about you hire one person and share it with 5 parents and have your own kindergarten? You know, it is. It's just like, it's insane. It's insane. It's absolutely crazy. $300 for a kindergarten a month. And she said it is not even the most expensive one.
Yes.
Crazy, guys. I want to see their diplomas and if they're really like proper thing, or if they studied and did everything. But yeah, I don't know. I'd rather put my child to grandparents or something. Or we just we put all the children together and let them code when they're young. Like they're 3 years old, no need to talk, no need to write, just code. Code the next Facebook.
Oh yeah.
This app was brought to you by, I cannot say the word, else I'm gonna be demonetized again. All right, guys. This is the way back to the Thuong area. Lots of apartments here as well. And here in the corner is gonna be also this is a very annoying street here. This street and the street to the left, if you're not into, if you are not into getting honked at or hit by cars or motorbikes, this might not be the right thing to walk for you. You should definitely take a motorbike and be the problem. All right. So thank you so much for watching. Ooh, interesting. Bun Bo Hue. See you on the next one. Hello. Interesting. I will come back. Okay. Check out this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.